let's focus on this peach cobbler.
Alright fam, so we got our peaches right. You see this cross section here. Now we make some cross section cuts into these peaches, and then we're gonna get these boiling, right? Now we're gonna let these peaches boil for about a minute so they can get just softened, so we can take that outer skin off. Makes it easy to peel. That's a pro tip for you.
Now if they boil for about a minute, man, they ready to go. Real easy, real simple, pro tip.
Alright fam, so we got these peaches in the ice bath to stop the, the cooking process. Now if you see here, you see that one right there? That one's already, peeling. So this will make it like super easy to get that skin off of it, right? All we gotta do is just peel this back, right? And this is gonna make it super simple to peel these peaches, right? No using a knife or anything like that. You just peeling back these layers, right? Look at that. See how easy that is right there? Here's just like so. Easy, right? It's a whole peach peel in under 30 seconds. Look at that right there. Perfect.
All right, so we're gonna get these peaches sliced up, and then we're gonna get them ready for that grill.
Right, we got that pellet grill going. We got it at 350, right? So we got to let that thing heat up, but we're gonna focus on these peaches, right? So we got to get these ready. Now we got our fresh peaches here.
So we're gonna get this lemon zested up, and this is gonna give it some additional flavor. Now we got brown sugar. We're going in with some sugar, some cinnamon and nutmeg, some cornstarch, and then, we're gonna gently fold these ingredients up, right? Because these peaches are delicate, and you don't wanna, ruin these peaches. So just give them a gentle fold. And this is gonna give you a nice base for this peach cobbler. Now we're gonna take our lemon, and then we're gonna squeeze this lemon juice inside our filling, right? So you got some citrus notes going on. And then we're gonna give this another mix, and this is gonna be absolutely delicious. Now we got our butter, and we're gonna butter up our dish, right? Because we don't want anything to stick or burn. And then we're gonna put these peaches in there. Man, look at that right there.
So we got these peaches ready to go. We're gonna place these bad boys in the smoker. And like I said, we got this at 350. So we're gonna let these go for about 15 minutes, and then we're gonna come and put the topping on there, and we're gonna let this go the rest of the way. And we're gonna check on this bad boy. So you see they're starting to tender up, right? But we're gonna pop this top back down because we gotta get that topping ready. So we're gonna go ahead and get this topping ready.
All right, so we got our flour here, and then we got some brown sugar, and that's a half a cup, right? And then we got a half a cup of sugar, and then we're gonna give these ingredients a mix. And then I forgot to put in here some baking powder and some salt in the video, but add that too. Now I got some chilled butter, and then I cubed it up, and then we just gonna mash this in, and then we just gonna get it mixed in, right? And really what you're trying to do is you're trying to get like some clumps, right? Because this is gonna be a topping, right? So just enough where it's mixed in, and then you're gonna add your hot water in, right? Now a little bit of the time you wanna go and add this hot water in, just like I'm doing here. And then you wanna mix this, and like I said, add the rest of your hot water until it's just mixed, and then you got the perfect topping, right? So as you see me doing here, I'm just giving this bad boy a mix, and you can still see some of that butter in there. That's perfect. So this right here is the consistency that you want to see. Now this is going to be a great topping. Just enough where it's mixed in. Now this is ready to go.
And look at those peaches right there. It's been about 15 minutes, a little bit over 15 minutes. So we're gonna get this topping on here, and look at that sauce, man. I know you guys can't smell it, but it smells absolutely delicious.
Now we're gonna take a spoonful of this topping, and then we're just gonna place it on top of it, right? Now it doesn't have to be pretty. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tell you that topping's gonna spread, and make your design however you like it.
Now fam, keep in mind this is gonna spread, but I'm gonna tell you, this is gonna be absolutely delicious. So we're gonna let this cook and then brown up, and then about 5 minutes before, we're gonna put some cinnamon sugar mixture. So let's get this back in the smoker. All right, fam, we got that back in the smoker. Now we're gonna let this go the rest of the way, right? Most important part is we wanna make sure that that crust is formed, right? So whatever time it takes for that crust to form, that's when it's ready to go, right? So we'll do the toothpick test. If it comes out clean, then we're in the game, right? So we're not quite ready yet, but like I promised, we gotta put this cinnamon sugar, right, mixture on the top.
Now that cinnamon sugar is gonna take it over the top.
And then we're gonna let this go. All right, Focus fam, so this is the test, right? So we gotta check out this peach cobbler, see if it's ready to go, right? All right, so we got a toothpick. That bad boy is ready to go. So we're gonna get this bad boy out, let it cool, and then it's ready to serve.
And look at that right there. I know that thing is piping hot. We gotta let this bad boy cool.
Right there.
But
and as you can see, that thing is like piping hot right now, but that looks absolutely delicious. Now, if you want a browner crust than that, because the smoker does not have a broil function, you can use, like a butane torch, right? But I'm not gonna do that because this looks absolutely amazing. So we're gonna let this chill, we're gonna bring it in the house, and then we're gonna get this bad boy a taste test.
All right, Focus fam, there you have it. You got your smoked peach cobbler, and I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, it smells good. We're gonna give this bad boy a taste test. Okay, right there. And get a little ice cream on there. Cheers. Now that's simply absolutely amazing. And I'm gonna go ahead for another bite of that. And that's good, fam. That is really delicious. Just like any of my recipes, you can do that in your kitchen, right, in your oven. So you don't have to have a smoker, but on that smoker, it gives it that extra kick, that little smoky hint. You in the game. Now, if you like this content and you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button and smash that like button too. And for the people that's been rolling me for a while, you already know what I'm about to do. So before we go, I just want to let you guys know, hey, this channel right here is a channel that boosts your confidence so you can get on that grill or in that kitchen and make some absolutely delicious meals. You guys, next time, peace.